friends, I'm Kiran.
And I'm Kritish.
Are you ready to watch
Crazy funny English show.
I hope you like it.
If you like it, like and subscribe.
Let's move on to the show.
Scene 1. Mama going office on weekend. Hi Krishanth. Hi Kritish.
Hi, Mama.
Today I'm going office.
What, on a weekend?
Yes, I have an urgent task at office. Okay kids, I am going office. Don't do any mischief. Take care kids. Bye.
Bye, Mama. I miss you.
Miss you too kids. I love you. Bye. Scene 2. Mama went office.
Hey, Mama, Mama, we can enter.
Hey Krishant, we are free today. Mama is not here to torture us.
Yes, you are right. If Mama is here, he gives us some chore. Every twinkle time. Fold the cloth,
Arrange the toys.
make the room tidy, clean the table.
Water the plants.
Yet, I think not at home today.
Scene 3. Kids are going to enjoy because Mama went office.
Yes, Kishan, today is my fun day.
My lucky day.
My rest day.
My best day.
Our best day. No chores and no torture.
So we are free. We can enjoy the whole day.
Yes, no one can stop me from having fun today.
Let Arya a drama party.
No, let's make park.
No. Let's make a lemonade.
Let's paint the wall.
Scene 4. Mama is calling.
It's Mommy.
Hi kids. How is going the day without Mama? Okay, I forgot to tell something you because of my urgent work. Okay kids, I have kept to-do list on the table. Take and do it before Mama comes. Bye kids. Take care. I love you.
Okay, Mommy.
To delete. Fold the cloth. Water the plant. Clean the table. Sweep the floor. Hurry the diner. Pencil plate.
This is not a today. This is a divine punishment for us.
We have been caught.
Scene 5. Robot Dream.
Oh God! Can I have a robot for doing to list? It will complete all my chores.
Yes, I still need a God.
If the robot does everything, we can get more screen time. Wow!
Yes, Krishan, but Mom won't allow us to watch TV. Instead of vulgar things, we can do soon.
Scene 6. At first, no. Finally, yes.
Fold the cloth and keep it in a little bit tube plate.
Hi, my sweethearts. Have you finished the to-do list?
Mama, we won't do it next week.
Mama, every weekend we get excited by doing this.
Okay, Krishant and Kritish. No problem. I cancel Wi-Fi. I threw all your toys. I won't cook.
No, we will complete the activity.
Like a Sisyphean Task. Every weekend we fold the cloth.
All is
Sisyphean Task means
a task.
Something endless. Something you work
That never make lasting progress.
Sisyphean Task means a task that is endless, futile, and laborious. Something you work hard, but never make lasting progress.
I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.